Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your earbuds SOUNDCORE SPORT X20. And let's get started with open the application and click on your earbuds here. So right here we have ambient sound control and we have two options how to enable transparency mode. We can click on it in the application and we just enable it, but we can also use a gesture. So you need to press and hold at the touch controls on your left or right earbud and you will firstly swap to noise cancellation. So I'm just press and hold and I swap to noise cancellation and you press and hold again and you will swap to transparency mode. Okay, yeah, here we go. As you can see, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.